Hello everyone. So this video is not a prank video or any kind of funny video. Uh, I just had a thought and I wanted to share that with you all. It's all about uh, having subscribers on YouTube channel. So I've seen a lot of videos where people are making videos on how to get um, the first 100 subscribers on YouTube channel. So in that sense, having 100 subscribers is a big deal. Otherwise, they would not make videos on how to get 100 subscribers on a YouTube channel. So if uh, if having 100 subscribers is a big deal, then of course having 1,000 subscribers is also a big deal. So what I feel is like we cross 100 sorry 1,000 subscribers, but we don't get anything uh, from YouTube. I'm not saying that we should get something or we must get something from YouTube. Or YouTube should give us something for getting 1,000 subscribers. But it's just an opinion that what if YouTube decides to give some reward to those creators who have crossed 1,000 subscribers on their YouTube channels. So I guess it would be kind of fun, and that would encourage new YouTubers to uh, uh, to get more involved and engaged on YouTube. So I was just thinking, what if YouTube decided to give reward, like we have play buttons for 100,000 subscribers, uh, then million subscribers, then 10 million subscribers. So we don't we'll not get those kind of play buttons like silver play button, gold play button, or diamond play button. But YouTube could think of kind of some creative way to that. Maybe just a paper thing, like kind of certificate, kind of or maybe just kind of a letter. They can send letter through post, and they can congratulate the YouTubers for crossing or hitting 1,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel. So it was just my opinion. So like, what do you think of that? Uh, what do you think of this idea of having a reward uh, for having more than 1,000 subscribers? So leave your opinions on the comment section, and like share your opinions through your videos and anything. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you didn't enjoy it, but it was just my opinion. I wanted to share that. Um, so see you in the next video. Bye.